Hello everyone, in this video I will guide you how you will exploit the vulnerable machine DC-1 by using the Kali Linux. So we will performing the different tasks and try to exploit this vulnerable machine by using the virtual box. So first of all, you will start the both machine, the DC-1 and the Kali Linux. And in the previous videos already I explained how you will download the DC-1 and how you will use the Kali Linux file in the virtual machine. So I created my own network and by using my own class C IP address for this. So you will also use this one, network, and the name of my network is cyber. And you need to just select this option, allow all. So in the first step we will do the network scanning and we will check the IP address of the DC-1 machine by using the net discover command. And once we will find the target IP, we will run the other commands to scan and to identify the open ports and the services of the DC-1. So by using the ifconfig command, you will check your Kali Linux IP address, and then after this you will open the root terminal. So after performing this task, so you will get these all the IP addresses and you will verify the vulnerable machine IP by just checking and cross-check the MAC address, the physical address of this device. Go to the virtual machine setting area again and open the network setting of the DC-1, and this is the MAC address here. So it's mean the last address is the DC-1 address. So after getting the results, now we are using the one powerful network scanning command using the Nmap that performs the aggressive scanning on a target IP address, and it is commonly used in penetration testing. And the A flag basically enables the several advanced detection features in one go, like the operating system detection, the version detection, the script scanning, and the trace route as well. So when you will get the result, so as you can see the ports like 22, 80 and possibly the other ports are open, and that gives us some useful entry points. And this is the version and operating system details as well. Another information is the Drupal site. So the Drupal site is a website built using the Drupal, which is a free open source website, and that already we have this information that this vulnerable machine is using the Drupal. So after this we will be using the IP address of the vulnerable machine in the browser, and then you can use the IP address of the target machine. So now we will performing the exploitation tasks, and we are using the Metasploit module to exploit it. And you can write the ms console and search for the Drupal exploit modules and the options. So we need this module, and you will just copy this from the options, and then you can use. So after this you will use the rhost, set the rhost and use your target IP address, target machine IP address. So after setting the rhost, so now you will launch the exploit by using the run command. So now we have the Meterpreter shell, and we are now inside the system. So check the system information of the DC-1 and the operating system details, and then you will open the shell. So now we are doing the task privilege escalation, and you will use this Python script for that. So after we get a basic reverse shell from the target machine, it usually behaves like a broken terminal. So the arrow keys don't work, so we can't use the commands like clear, and sometimes the even sudo does not work properly. To fix this, we use a short Python command to upgrade our shell. So once this script runs, so our shell becomes much better. Now we can use the arrow keys, the tab completion and run command like the sudo without any problem. So now we are just using this SQID binaries. These are the special files that run with the permission of the file owner, like the root. Like find means to start the searching from the root of the file system, and the perm and the u mean we are looking for the files that have the SQID permission set. The type means only look for the regular files, not directories. and the 2 is hide any error message to keep the output clean. So we find that the binary and the bash or any other exploitable binaries has the SUID bit set. And let's go to the root shell by changing the directories. Change the current directory and then create an empty file, namely the test in the current directory. And use these all the commands one by one. Tries to enter in the root user's home directory and display the user ID and prints the current login detail of the username and list down the files and display the contents of the flag file. So now use the cat to reveal the contents and complete the challenge of DC-1. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it will be useful for you.